Today, we are diving into some exciting news from Samsung that could reshape the future of foldable gadgets. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech updates. So let's talk about Samsung's latest patent that's got everyone buzzing. It hints at a groundbreaking innovation, a tablet that not only folds, but can also roll up. Yep, you heard that right. Imagine a tablet that functions like a book when folded, yet boasts a screen that can stretch out like magic. It's a whole new level of versatility in the world of tech. Now let's take a closer look at what this patent reveals. Thanks to the images leaked by XLeak7, we can see a device resembling the Galaxy Z Fold, but with a twist. The cameras are placed on the opposite side of the hinge. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of a smaller screen on the front like we're used to, this device opens up to reveal one large screen inside. And get this, it can stretch out on one side using a rolling mechanism. This means the device could seamlessly switch between small and large screen modes when unfolded. And even when folded, a portion of the screen might remain visible for quick access to notifications or widgets. It's a feature reminiscent of devices like the Galaxy Z Flip 5, offering the best of both worlds in terms of functionality and convenience. Now, while we eagerly anticipate the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 phones rumored to debut this year, there's also talk of a triple foldable device in the works. If Samsung manages to pull it off, it could be a game changer. But as for the folding and rolling tablet, don't hold your breath just yet. Remember, patents are just ideas, not guarantees of actual products. Samsung has proven its prowess in the realm of foldable phones, and with concepts for rollable devices in the pipeline, who knows what the future holds. So keep your eyes peeled for announcements around August when Samsung typically unveils its latest foldable phones. We'll be here to bring you all the juicy details and rumors as they unfold. That's a wrap for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, stay tuned for more tech updates. Peace out.